quiet village lived Kabir, a boy labeled lazy, though deep inside he carried restless, silent dreams. He was not stupid, not weak, just trapped in a dangerous habit called procrastination and self-delay. Kabir always said, "I'll do it tomorrow," not knowing tomorrow slowly steals life without permission. His books collected dust, his room stayed messy, and his confidence faded quietly every passing day. At night, staring at stars, he whispered why change felt impossible, despite wanting a better future. His mother once said, "Every wasted day becomes a stone you carry until the weight finally breaks you." Kabir smiled, ignored her wisdom, thinking, one day never changes anything important in life. That belief is how dreams die slowly, without pain, without drama, without anyone noticing. In the same village lived Gurudev, a wise teacher known for shaping broken mindsets into strong lives. Kabir's father took him there, hoping wisdom could reach where love and warnings failed. Gurudev looked calmly and said, "You are not lazy, you are addicted to delaying responsibility." He gave Kabir a clay pot and stones, assigning a simple but powerful discipline challenge. Every morning, finish your most important task. Then, place one stone inside the pot. If you fail, leave the pot empty and face your own reflection without excuses. The task sounded easy, but real change always sounds easy before it becomes uncomfortable. On day one, Kabir fought sleep, studied 1 hour, and dropped his first stone carefully. That small sound created unexpected pride, teaching him the power of small habits. Some days he failed, some days he succeeded, but quitting was no longer an option. Discipline grew quietly, just like daily habits for success growing inside ordinary people. After 30 days, Kabir returned with only 20 stones and shame in his eyes. Gurudev smiled, saying, "Growth matters more than perfection in self-improvement journey. From 0 discipline to 20 wins. That is how mindset transformation truly begins." Kabir understood success is built through consistent effort, not sudden motivation. He started waking early, reading daily, practicing silence, strengthening focus and discipline. Slowly, his memory improved, confidence returned, and results followed naturally. 1 year later, Kabir became unrecognizable, shaped by habits stronger than talent or luck. From his village, he started a small online business selling handmade products honestly. Growth came slowly, just like stones filling a pot. Proving success through habits is real. People trusted his consistency, not his words, because habits always speak louder. The lazy boy disappeared, replaced by a man who respected time and effort. This is why small daily habits defeat intelligence, luck, and shortcuts every single time. This story is not about Kabir. It is about you delaying dreams silently. Tomorrow never comes, but today quietly shapes everything you will become. If one habit can change one life, imagine what your next habit can change. Another story waits, another lesson knocks. Only if you choose to walk forward today. This journey of truth, growth, and meaning continues here on Moral Quest.